Would you like to come to see the turtles hatching on Grand Anse Beach? By law, all beaches in Seychelles are public property. Though some of the beaches may be secluded, these stunning stretches of sand are ripe for exploring. Read on to discover the most beautiful beaches in the Seychelles. Mahé Island. Take a hike through the Morne Seychellois National Park and you will be rewarded with Onsager. With the only other access to the beach being by boat, you will likely find yourselves alone at this secluded spot. Be sure to take a picnic with you, there's no refreshments to be found. Here, there's just a couple of old abandoned buildings and the hike to reach this spot is more than an hour each way. There is, however, some fantastic snorkeling to be done. Digue Island, frequently topping the best beach in the world lists, on source d'Argent is unquestionably a beautiful beach. It is located on the west coast of the island and within the grounds of l'Union Estate. If you want to get your classic Seychelles beach photo, this is the place to do it. Trademark pink rocks, water in shades of blue you never even knew existed and powder fine white sand are all to be found here. There are a couple of downsides to this beach. Firstly, it's really not great for swimming. The water is very shallow and the coral and rocks make it less than comfortable to walk over. If it's swimming you want to do on La Digue, take a trip to Onsager. The other negative is that while watching the sunset would be amazing here, the gates to l'Union Estate close at 5 p.m. so unfortunately you can't stay to watch. Praslin Island, Anse Lazio is a truly special beach of Praslin Island. Although it is a tourist favorite, it never feels overcrowded. If you're looking for solitude, arrive early in the morning and you may be lucky enough to get the beach to yourself. Swimming is generally very safe at Anse Lazio, but be aware that waves can be strong even on seemingly calm days. For those who prefer to relax on the sand, huge Takamaka trees provide much welcomed shade along the 500m beach. It's an easy drive to Anse Lazio, with signposts helpfully guiding the way and a car park ready for your arrival. A bus can also take you most of the way but will leave you with a steep hill to walk back up on the way home.